we believe that time is best spent making decisions confidently and not trying to gather data, combing through it, trying to understand it. And even in 2022, we know that in some financial institutions, analysts spend up to 80% of their time on just doing that, manual, repetitive tasks. And that is where human AI really comes into play, where we allow machines to do what they are really best at and what we are not so great at, memory tasks, big pattern analysis, contextualization of data, but with the aim of empowering to do us what we really do best, which is creative thinking, interpretation, and empathizing with the facts. And so this skill set, this synergistic skill set really comes together to unlock the potential of compliance systems and really creates these productivity powerhouses that are otherwise really not possible.